Hello everyone, it's Libby and today's video is going to be about a Gymshark haul. Okay, so typically I do a unboxing first impression. I got this around Black Friday. Did not think I was going to film a video on it, so I already opened everything. I tried it on partially, but honestly I had so much going on in my life that I didn't really get to evaluate the fit. I don't know how I really feel about it. Oh, hello. And I didn't really get to evaluate how I felt about it, so what better way than to film a YouTube video because it really forces me to decide. And so what I decided is if I don't like it, I'm going to return it. Because of Black Friday, they had up to 70% off. And so we like hauls here. I thought you guys would enjoy it. So, okay, let's go. So I'll be honest, I don't work out. I don't exercise. I definitely should. I thought maybe if I got some clothes that I appreciated, I would actually go work out. We'll see. So basically, it's going to be a short haul. I have two sets, and they are the same kind. What I basically did was get the leggings and the sports bra, and then for the other set, I got the leggings, sports bra, and the long sleeve shirt that you wear over it. So it's going to be a fit. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the first thing. So this is a Gymshark Flex high-waisted leggings in gray and pink. So I really like the color combination of these in particular because I really like the pink and it says Gymshark. And it is supposed to emphasize things, you know what I mean? But here's the issue, I don't have anything to emphasize, what is the word? Emphasize, right? So we're gonna see how this looks on me. It's probably gonna look a little silly, but this is what it looks like. It's just supposed to make you look good, and then it's supposed to I'm assuming everything in. And okay, so this is what the leggings look like, and then the matching top looks just like this. This is the Flex Strappy Sports Bra. Very simple. And the back of it actually has the logo as well, so it's supposed to be matchy-matchy and really cute. Okay, so this is the fit. Honestly, I think it looks really good, and I think it looks really cute. I really love how the logos right here kind of match. I think it makes for a really fun set. But if I am being completely 100% honest, I feel like I am being so sucked in where it's just tight. I'm the type of girl that likes things loose. I like loose clothing, and I know gym clothing is not necessarily loose, but I feel like these straps are kind of digging into my shoulders, and that might be on me because I ordered a size small and maybe I should have went up to a size medium. But I got the leggings in small, and I think the first time I tried on the leggings, I remember thinking they were really tight also, but now that I have them on, they're very comparable to the Spanx leggings. If you try the faux leather leggings, I own a pair, they feel very similar to that. So I definitely think I could work out in these very easily, but when it comes to the top, I kind of wish I sized up or I got something that necessarily weren't these straps over here, because I feel like these straps kind of hurt, to be honest. So maybe that's on me. Maybe I should have sized up. In general though, if you're looking just for appearance and the look of it, I really do think it looks good. I don't think I fill this out, the bottoms at least, as well as other people could. But generally, I think this is really nice looking. I know a lot of people have talked about the squat test, so I guess I'll just do it for you guys because helpful YouTuber. I looked in the mirror earlier. I don't think there's any issues personally for this color, it being transparent or anything. It seems pretty opaque if you have to ask me. The next thing I have over here, it is the second outfit. It's just in a different color. So this is the khaki and the green color, I believe. So let's stay tuned. Try it on. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here is the second set. This one really looks nice too. It looks the same, just a different color. I really like it. I guess the only difference is, I'll back up a little bit. The logo over here isn't as color blocked as the last one. In general, I probably prefer this color over the last one, but I am a sucker for army green. Same issue. I think the leggings are fine. I do think they're a bit snug, but I do think when you have workout leggings, there's nothing wrong with it, especially when you're expecting something so high-waisted. When it comes to the length of the pants, I'm 5'6", and I don't have an issue with them. When it comes to this top, I don't think it's that comfortable. I had an issue getting not an issue necessarily, but it didn't feel comfortable taking the last one off either. So again, maybe that's just me. I feel this, whatever this is right here, it just is digging into my skin a bit, and that's not comfortable. So I'm really gonna have to think long and hard if I want to return this or not, because I don't want to return the pants, but I would want to return the top, I think. But I just really love the idea of a matching set, so maybe I'll just peruse the website and see if there's something else I can get for the top, because they do have mix and match items. But the biggest thing is that I got these on sale because of Black Friday. Let's go ahead and try on the long sleeve top. It again is a set with this same color, and you're just really supposed to put it on this outfit. Okay, let's put it on. Am I the only one that finds these like extremely tight, or is this just me not being accustomed to like properly fitting clothes? I definitely prefer things that are looser in general in my life, not even when it comes to working out. And so having everything so tight makes it feel a little snug. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it looks great. And again, you can kind of see the back like I was trying to explain earlier. You can kind of see the back over here. It looks really nice. I had no problem with the appearance of this. I have a problem with how tight it is because I don't know if I'm going to be comfortable. Like, I just feel like I have to work harder to breathe. Is this like an only me problem, or should I just be sizing up and I don't know it? Because when it comes to like the dimensions, by the way, I have little finger holes, it feels like the length is fine. I feel like it fits. I just feel like it's tight, and it does have a stretch to it for sure because it is like the workout clothes. But at the same time, like, should it be looser? Would I be more comfortable? So I kind of need help with that. I'm definitely gonna have to do some more research because I like how it looks, and I don't want to have to return it because I got it for a great price, and I like the fit. I just don't know if I like the fit, you know what I mean? And so that is what I'm struggling with, but I'll back up so you can see the whole outfit itself. This is what it looks like. Again, I really like this color. I really do like it. Like, I have no problem with it. Like, I want to go out and wear this. I just like this underneath, the straps right here from the sports bra, it still hurts. Like, it doesn't feel comfortable, and that is the struggle, you know what I mean? But in general, I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys thought. I feel like I'm such a newbie when it comes to any athletic clothing because I said it 100 times. I don't work out, I don't know what I'm doing. And so this is my step into progression, I guess. I don't know. So let me know if you guys have any tips or if you have any ideas. If the fit is right, I think, again, it looks good. But is it comfortable? No, because I feel like I have to work really hard to breathe, and that's not fun, you know what I mean? So, with that being said, I will see you guys next time. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon notification button if you want to get notified every time I post, which is weekly, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, everyone.